There's Sondre. What are you cooking, Sondre?
I am cooking stuffed peppers. Stuffed with cheddar, Irish cheddar and prosciutto. As an international meal.
Irish cheddar and prosciutto?
Look at that.
Irish
This is
cheddar,
camping here.
prosciutto, and Mexican peppers.
Yeah, those look like Anaheim.
Yeah.
Anaheim. Okay.
Yeah, Anaheim.
Yeah. And then these are sausage and
No, this is all potatoes. This is a medley of purple and red and yellow potatoes.
oh, I love it.
And these are roasted Brussels sprouts with shallots.
Ooh,
and
who
maybe
did
some
the shallots
garlic?
and oh, Jack.
Jack did that.
Okay. Let's see.
all good.
And over here we have a game. What's we got a ring toss game coming on over here. Oh, fun.
Children are so
Yes.
Fun.
Ring toss.
Oh,
Kim, let's get Kim Tracy over there with catching.
You about to send it on the top of our van.
You're right.
He's gonna climb up to the top and get it.
We got over here. We got Michelle Jack cooking. Oh, look at her. Oh, wow.
Steak.
Jack, what you got going on over here?
We got some ribeyes. 1, 2, 3, 4 for 6 women because we're hungry apparently.
Well, they wanted the territory that they occupied less than 100 years ago, but these people were independent before the takeover. So, yeah, they wanted...
Got
It's a
serious
bit of
talk over
recent
here.
modern day takeover.
yeah, we're talking about like.
We've got the map of Europe out. We're discussing
It was in
national geopolitics.
1812.
man.
Oh my God, there's Patty. She's
Crazy,
so pretty.
Katie.
Oh my God, do you have blue eyes? And there's Patti Rayne. Yes. We don't want to discuss it.
Open up and have it now. Despite the fear in my heart, I don't wanna betray myself by staying with you. 'Cause baby, I am overdue for something that is really true. And I think it's you.
All's quiet on the Western Front. Yeah, that's
Baby, you're crazy.
1917 was really cool. Yeah, 2 words a single.
I think it's you. It doesn't work 100 days. I found and I love someone again and again. My heart is broken open in every way.
Patty's hammocks?
If I can ever say I lost my love at all. I don't wanna walk away if there isn't a chance for love. Against my nature to give up the fight, but I'll do what you say I must. Whether you're wrong or you're right, I don't wanna betray myself by thinking I'm the fool, but thinking someone loves me just this way.
But the trouble
Someone for whom I break every rule. And I think it's you. Maybe I'm crazy. I still think it's you. I'm going overboard,
the Soviet Union
thinking it's you.
and they don't want to.
I can.
That was so nice, Patty.